Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Medalum in Expedition 33. Medalum is one of Mael's best weapon in the game, which is high base damage and its ability to let Mael start on virtuous stance, which spares you from the sequences of trying to get her into that stance across many turns. There are two ways of getting the Medalum. The first way would be through the arena in the Gestural Village. If you're visiting the village for the first time, according to the story progression, you're going to meet with Golgra, and she'll encourage you to participate in the arena first before you move out of the area. Once you do join the arena, you can only choose one of your expeditions to fight the Gestrals in the competition. In the final fight, with the secret contender, you have to use Mael and no one else. If you manage to win the battle with Mael, you will get the weapon Medalum. However, there are two ways for you to miss this weapon and not get it. The first is that you lose as Mael, or you lose as anyone else. The second way of missing this weapon is that you will choose somebody else besides Mael. Even if you end up winning, you won't get Medalum because you're not using, Mael. If you did miss out on this weapon, then you can do it another way. But I'm gonna put a disclaimer here that this method is impossible if you're not in Act 3. Because you're going to have to fight Golgra, one of the hardest bosses in the game. If you do miraculously win, then you can get the weapon. And that's how to get Medalum in Expedition 33.